Hello and welcome to the Today we visit IQE. Now let's roll the film.
When we think wafer, usually a cookie comes to mind. Delicious. IQE is the global leader in the design and manufacturing of the epi-wafer. Come along with us and you will learn about the power of the epi-wafer.
We heat diffusion cells up to deposit material at the molecular level, surface of a substrate, to form compound epitaxial material.
The epitaxial epi-wafer consists of layers of orderly arrangements.
In this cabinet, we run ultrapure gases through pipes into the growth chamber, where chemical reaction takes place at the surface of the wafer to form compound semiconductor materials.
Research equals improved materials.
Putting on the gloves in the glove box can be very tricky.
Similarities exist in the growth of the epi-wafer and the rock candy. They both grow crystals as the molecules bind together, following orderly and repetitive patterns.
The differences are in how they start to grow and from the matter from which they grow.
How is the semiconductor epi-wafer used?
It is used for electronic parts in night vision binoculars, car backup cameras, gaming systems, cell phones, computers.
This is the power of the IQE epi-wafer.
Lights, solar panels, wireless technology, and cameras.
Innovation is from the inside out. There is a better way. IQE will make it happen.
Hello, my name is Michael Renninger. In the characterization department that I work, we use tools to test the electrical properties of each wafer to ensure our customers get what they're looking for.
To test the electronic properties, patterns are processed into the epi-wafer. Each one of these squares has the potential to become a separate microchip.
Seeing the microchip through the microscope was so cool.
Microchips are in every electronic device we use today.
We graded IQE with an A+ for their expertise in the manufacturing of the technology-changing epi-wafer,
For providing high-quality customer service.
And for their warm and welcoming hospitality.
Back to you, Noah.
I feel the power of the IQE epi-wafer.
We feel it too!
Thanks to our many sponsors.